we are going to make a few different snacks that are real quick and easy for the person who wants that crunch, but also wants to make it healthy. And oh, by the way, we're part of the collaboration of Healthy Snacks 25, being hosted by Tammy at Mtn Grandma and Gail Southern Living and Tina at Life in the Piedmont. We're going keto, baby, and I got the snack. Let's come over here. We're gonna make them, see how fast we can get it done. Okay, let's put together our cottage cheese chips. So I have 1 cup of cottage cheese. I use the full fat. I have a half a cup of Parmesan shredded cheese. 1/4 of a cup of arrowroot. You can use cornstarch, or you could use almond flour. I think you could even probably use coconut flour if you want to. This is just going to be that combining agent. And then I have a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a half a teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of of onion powder. We're gonna put those all in there, and we're gonna mix it really good, and then we're gonna put them on our cookie sheet. Could use a scoop or 2. I'm not gonna do that because I want them just to be kind of rustic and uniform. I'm gonna put these on the cookie sheet, kind of smush them down, and then I'm gonna throw them in the oven for probably 8 to 10 minutes at 400. Let's put these in the oven. Okay, our next one is gonna be little keto pizzas. We're just gonna shred our mozzarella, and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, we have our shredded cheese. I'm just gonna put down a little amount on each little pile. Okay, each one of these is so fast and easy. I don't make a lot because they're not gonna keep well. This was like, what, less than 3 minutes to put this together. We're gonna throw it in the oven at 400 degrees, and we'll bring them out when they're ready. I've got some celery sticks here. We're gonna fill them with cream cheese. Just gonna hit them with some everything bagel. And you talk about meeting your crunch need, getting, feeling full because of the cream cheese. And then this just gives a nice little flavor, and you can use any brand. This is Einstein. Nice crunchy, give you the taste without all the carbs. Come out of the oven, we'll pull it all together and show you all our different treats. Snacks, actually. Okay, I put together the 3 different stacks that I showed you. Here is our little cheese pizza. And then here is our celery that I love with my everything bagel. And then here is my cottage cheese chips. I hope you try these. They cooked a little bit longer, but they are a little bit chewy. Not too chewy, but they got a little bit of a bite to them too. But they're just enough to give you what you want when you want something salt and crunchy. So I hope you try them. Be sure and look for the recipe down in my description and all the other channels that are participating. And again, I want to thank you for inviting me to this collaboration. And I hope you like and subscribe and come back for more, because we are going to be doing a lot more recipes on keto, because we are working on our health, and you're going to see some changes in this channel. So talk to you later. Bye.